This is DJI Air 3 and today I'll show how you can switch between different shooting modes on this drone. So first you will need to open the fly-in interface or the camera view of the DJI Fly app. Then to your right you'll find the rec button or shutter button, and on top or below of this button, or actually on top of this button, excuse me, you have this icon, so tap on it, and here you can switch between photo mode, video mode, master shots. So while in the photo mode you can also change the amount of pictures that will be taken, so single burst or AEB. You can set a timer here. While in the video mode you can switch between normal, night and slow motion. And while the master shots mode is only available if you are flying your drone. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.